So you can see with our hood, has a little bulge in the center for our LS engine. We have the engine up nice and high, so we got plenty of ground clearance. So you come around on the back side of the hood, you see the back side of it as well as finished off. We kind of changed our hinges a little bit, because our hinge idea is to bring the radiator down. We moved the radiator down, and these hinges enable us to bring the hood up, and now we'll be able to design an air cleaner to go down and get in front of the cord support. So back side of the hood is finished off like all of our hoods. Has a little rise in the middle, approximately 3/4 of an inch for clearance reasons. And we've hooked up lineal actuators that if you look inside the inner fender there, you'll see where they're mounted and hidden out of the way. Back of the car is our trunk lid. If you come around, see the inside of the trunk lid. Like all the other parts, the inside is completely finished off. Nice and smooth, and our tooling we've hooked actuators too. Next item is our deck lid. Deck lid is cut back approximately 1.5 inches, enable the seat to come back further to give a large person more room inside the car. So there's our deck lid. Now if you come around here, you can see on the inside, deck lid is finished off with a nice Class A finish. And we've engineered the actuators to go in here. I don't know if we're going to offer that. It's a lot of work, time that goes into that. If you can build a car like this, you can figure out how to do the actuators. You're going to be kind of on your own to do something like that. But it's just kind of a different touch. Everything's roughed in. Next item is the doors. We've made the new door skins for the 62 with no door handle and no door lock. You find over time when you try filling holes, those holes come back to haunt you. So we made a whole door skin, so we don't have to worry about that coming back. So we got door skins on both sides. Next item is our headlight bezel. Our fiberglass headlight bezel finished off with mechanical fasteners from the back, no fasteners on the outside, as well as our molding. Fasteners are on the inside, and there'll be a shot of the Dapper headlights, showing the Dapper headlights in this thing. Dapper headlights are deeper, so we had to make a new bucket. We have the new bucket, we just don't have it in here yet. Top fender moldings, you can see them. Back sides, little pockets for our retainers that we buy. We put in there, those will be epoxied in. Keep in mind all this fiberglass, especially the small stuff naturally, can all be chrome plated now. We can offer it in chrome. We can also offer it in carbon fiber, if you want carbon fiber, or in the fiberglass where it can be painted. The front moldings, the eyebrows, those are next to get finished. They're roughed in on the car right now. Next thing is flush mount bumpers. So our front bumpers, as you see, they're just sitting in there. The back side of them is built to the back. This is made with 5/16 mechanical fasteners glassed into the bumper. These bumpers, a lot of time went into building a bumper like this. First, we made a mold off of an original bumper. And then from that mold, we made parts. And then from those parts, we started our design of our tucked in bumper. So there's a tucked in front bumper. The difference, as everybody knows, from 58 to 60 is how the grill bar goes across. These bumpers are made to take the, even though it's a 62 car, the gentleman with this car wants the grill teeth, because grill teeth look pretty neat. So these bumpers are made to take the grill bar for the teeth, the grill bar teeth, and not just the bar for like in a 62. So this is made for the grill teeth. And naturally, these bumpers, when you look at them close, these things are tucked in here nice, they're uniform, and they're done. Imagine doing a set of steel bumpers, and when you're all done, you got one set of bumpers. We spent that time and then some. We made them out of fiberglass. And personally, the way the fiberglass is made, I think they're stronger. They're more rigid. You're going to have to fabricate your brackets back on the front. On the rear bumper, here's the right rear bumper bolted on the car. A couple bolts hold it in place. You can look at the nice flush mount. Approximately 3/16 of an inch, top and bottom, okay? Everything is concealed. Okay, rear bumper's bolted on the car. Here's the back side again of the bumpers. This mold is made in 3 pieces. So the top and bottom, the mold is put together. A lot of time goes in to clay the seam, gel coated, laid up. The back part is laid up. Both pieces are wet trimmed before it kicks, and then it's bonded while it's still in the mold. So every time these come out of the mold, they're going to be the same because they're completely bonded in the mold. So there's no chance of human error. There's our tucked fit on the driver's side. So you've seen the new products that we're shooting around with right now. We make these new quarters, the quarters are on, and that's it. You had enough? Or do you want to see the hood one more time? Tucked away hidden. We'll have a cover that we're going to make that goes over the top of that to conceal it and keep it out of the weather. Believe me, this is a fun time in my life. Used to be shunned on for customizing a Corvette. Today it's kind of changed a little bit. So it makes it a lot more fun. Hard to sleep at night, but we get some sleep. Thanks for watching.